LakelandCarKeys.com. You can find us online, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, at Lakeland Car Keys. We're at 3135 US 92 East. And this is our building, Unit A. We're at the very front. So as soon as you pass the green Fish Hatchery Road sign, you're going to pull in our driveway. And we're the first building right here on the left-hand side. We do offer mobile key services, cut-in, programming. So if you lose all the keys to your car, we could come out and make you a key on site. We also do jump starts, tire changes, lockouts, fuel delivery. LakelandCarKeys.com. You can reach us at 863-409-2569.